The International Phonetic Alphabet is an alphabetic system of phonetic notation. It is used by foreign language. These are the symbols. Vowels. E, hit, E, heat, U, cold, U, food, E, bed, E, away, E, layer, O, for, A, black, A, cap, arm, arm, A, hot, ear, near, A, say, U, tourist, O, boy, A, where, I, five, A, now, O, home. Consonants. P, map, B, bat, T, the, lady, Ch, church, J, large, K, cat, G, give, find, B, boys, they, think, they, this, son, lazy, crash, pleasure, lemon, and turn, sing, ha, how, leg, are, try, we, window, yeah, yellow.